Not long ago, the Bowling Green hockey program was on thin ice. What a difference a few years makes. As BCSN's Joel Sebastianelli tells us, the Bobcats are off to a strong start this season, carrying the culture of the program's past, newfound momentum, and the memory of a coach they loved.
Bowling Green brought hockey back 3 years ago.
We weren't able to field a team due to numbers, and that's when myself, Jamie Ruffner came in and started to really build a culture back to what it used to be.
Now the Bobcats are bringing back BG hockey in execution.
We're back at a place where we feel is Bobcat hockey worthy.
So BG hockey historically has a tradition of just really working hard, grinding, get loose pucks, and get greasy goals. And I mean, if we want to make a run like we have a really good chance to do this year, that's what we got to do.
What they're doing so far is working. 7-2 overall with a win over Frozen Four semifinalist Walsh last weekend. A tight 3-2 battle with reigning state champ St. Francis in the opener.
We want our schedule to be as tough as possible. Our coach does a good job of that. So by the end of the year, when it comes to playoff time, we've seen the type of playoff teams that go far and prepare us well.
I wasn't surprised at all, because we know we're right there. We had a good game against St. Francis, against Gilmore Academy, against St. Andrews, Ontario, against St. Ed's. But the thing is we haven't put 3 full periods of hockey together yet. We're a team that hasn't really known in the past how to continually win. We expect more.
Above the ice, a reminder of what they used to be. 6 titles between 1980 and 1999, third most in Ohio history, also a motivator for what they can be.
We're just a different team. We're more of a family, and we're just all around just a better team, and we're just competitive, and I think we're the team to beat this year.
This is the vision instilled by Coach Jamie Ruffner, who passed away from colon cancer in January.
He laid the foundation, and then we started building it. So to be at where we're at now, to kind of be representing that culture and achieving and doing well, I think that shows great appreciation to him and what he started. Everything that we're doing now is with his help.
Last year, what we went through with losing him and everything, that's nothing a team should have to go through. But, I mean, we really started dedicating what we did and dedicated it to him. And that's what we want to do this year. We're really dedicating what we did because he was really just a great guy and a good coach all around.
A continuation of his legacy and culmination of hard work. 15 returning starters, 9 seniors, including leading scorer Shane Casson.
Shane Casson, who, could be the best player in the league. His skill, his attitude, his work ethic. Nick Powers plays Bobcat hockey the right way. He plays Bobcat hockey, he's fast, he plays hard, he's physical.
Powers' name is really embedded in this program with his dad coaching. He's literally the definition of Bobcat hockey. He works so hard whenever he's on the ice, and he's really a grinder when he needs to be, and he can finish when he needs to, and that's what we need here at BG.
Cooper Feehan, he gets really gritty. He's on my line with me. Easton Schick battles like no other. Bryce Ebersbach, he gets going a lot. Getting in his corners, being able to take the body and work your butt off. Good
poise, skill, speed, goal scoring. And then we look at our back end, and we have a senior goaltender in Gavin Sudwell. 2 shutouts already so far, and he keeps building.
That's who they are. What they do, they're proud to call BG hockey again.
You want a team to know they played you when you leave the building. That's what Bobcat hockey is. Instilling that we're here, whether we win or lose, you don't want to play us again.
In Bowling Green, Joel Sebastianelli, BCSN.